Hey everyone, today we talk about the Bitcoin, the whale's warning, fake crash or the fake bull. Let's decide. And here you can find there are some analysis. The first one is you can find this yellow. This is the super strong resistance, and we ever break in here, we fly. We are confirm this as the resistance and the support in this red line. You can find this draw line, and but it's break going down. So this is the dilemma. Whether you can going up or you are going down because the bullish people will say this is the strong resistance that we already break. Now we are retest, we continue to fly. But for some bearish people, they are saying that this 44K is the very strong resistance. This is the fake out, and you can find this red line. That's why after hit this one, we are continue to going down. Okay, I think it's a very important moment. Why? Because look, if you are looking for the bigger time frame, I'm not saying about the daily time frame, but for the bigger time frame, what I'm trying to say is every time we broke below this white line, this is the moving exponential 34 in the weekly time frame. As I told you in my last two video, every time we fail in the weekly close in here, we are going downtrend. Whenever we are close below this white line, we are going down. Now we are ever above, we are ever in the middle, and we are going down. It's the pattern like the evening star. You can googling about the evening star, what is this? But so far we are below this white. And usually every time we close the weekly candle in below here, we are going down. That's why if you are still have the speculation if this is going to up, confirmation resistance and fly from this yellow line, you need to remember whether the weekly time frame in here is stronger than the daily time frame in here. It's up to you. But for me, my guess, the price is still going downtrend. Even if the price is going to up, maybe going up in here, maybe just to retest 44 like in here. So retest 44 and continue to going downtrend again. So like this one, it's still possible like this one. Okay, but it's up to you. I'm just showing about the technical analysis. And the next is you need to remember like okay, this is I show you the daily time frame, but using same chart like this one. Look, every time we hit this one, this is the fake out. You have this fake out. Also, you have this fake out. So there is a similarity between both of them. The similarity, the connection. That's why it is similar. And the next is about the nasdaq. Okay, the nasdaq that you already know in here, we are ever bullish since the bitcoin halving maybe. So look, since the bitcoin halving, not just the bitcoin, all the assets including the nasdaq, they are flowing above 21 exponential moving average or 34 exponential, whether the white or the blue one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 times we are hold as the support and continue to fly. Every retest continue to fly. But now, in here we are break. In here, we are confirmed as the resistance. Previously as the support. Now as the resistance, we have the weekly close full bar red. Okay, and then go next. My question is we are going contract. If you are still hoping that we are going to up, it's up to you, but look, the technical analysis set is the full bar going down. That's why maybe for the next few days, if just going up, it's maybe like to creating the week, like the week in here, maybe like the week, and then still continue downtrend. And why I'm saying the market is very in good bad condition now. Look, the April in the this schedule, the release date, the April, you have the meeting in the around the 12th in here, and the meeting around in here maybe there's gonna be the crash because the CPI meeting you can know that the consumer price index. I think market is a very bad, but the CPI meeting, the consumer price index by the FOMC, the Fed, I think that's gonna leading the market going to crash again. But it's just a warning. You can decide I'm not your financial advice, but if even if it that you are buying, you need to set your stop loss. And remember, every time that the Bitcoin is going to bad, altcoin gonna die for sure. That's why if you're still holding altcoin, maybe if you just get a small profit or a small loss, I think it's better you to yeah, you just better off from the trading. But if you have your coin already minus 90%, 99%, 95%, or 80%, I think it's better for you to wait. I'm not skeptical because the market is gonna crash, but I want to tell you that every time that we are having the Bitcoin conference, check every time Bitcoin conference, there always be a crash. After the crash, we have the pull up. That's why in the Bitcoin conference that they are inviting the new investor, but new investor want to buy the dip. That's why they are going to crash it first, let the new investor in the Bitcoin conference buying it, and then we go to 100K. If the moment already come for us to back to bullish, I will told you that we are back to bullish. But for now, I think it's very, very risky if you buying now. That's why keep your asset is more important. Don't afraid that you are missing the bull run. The bull run is not haven't started yet. Look, you crash every since November in here. You crash. Now in here you are saying that you are bullish. It's up to you. But in the weekly time frame, in the bigger time frame, maybe we are in here similar like we are here. So when the people set bullish and then 1 week we are crash. But after the crash, you are paying the dip. The people who are paying in here, the people who are buying in here is to very, very smart. That's why I'm also waiting to buy in here. Okay? I'm still waiting to buy in here. Okay, I think that's for today, and always remember that protect your asset is more important. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give your thumb like video. Thank you.